All right. So yesterday, well, as videos go, Tyler, Carly, and I went to Bullhead City, Arizona, and purchased this bike, Honda 90. CT90. I've been playing with it. I got some of the parts off, so I can clean up the carburetor and check out some of the wiring. And the battery won't take a charge, so I ordered one. I'll have one tomorrow. That's a different battery. So this bike purchased yesterday, and this bike, and though it is a Honda clone, like the CT70, I think, little 70C, that says Honda, and the other decals are fake. But that's okay. That motor is a Lifan, if I'm saying it right. I think 110cc, I'm not positive. Has an electric start. It needs some repairs, no biggie. And what's kind of interesting, that motor can bolt straight into there. Probably just changed the manifold. Isn't that wild? So, how about that? It was pushed through that door and given to me for free. Isn't that crazy? A neighbor across the alley, I talked to him. He knows I like working on motorbikes and old motors, and he says, "Here, I got something for you." And there you go. There's an update. The motorbike